Amazon is worth over $1 billion, but they still make mistakes. And if you've been selling on Amazon for 6 months, a year, 2 years, I can almost guarantee you that they owe you money. In this video, I'm going to do a full tutorial of how to get reimbursements back from Amazon. Let's go. Here we are, guys. We are inside Sellerboard, and Sellerboard is what we're going to be using to get the reimbursements back that Amazon most definitely owe you if you've been selling for a fairly long time on Amazon, maybe 3 months, 6 months, etc. So what we're going to do, this is the demo dashboard here. This isn't actually my account, guys. This is the demo dashboard. We're going to go straight down to the money back section here, guys, and you can get literally 2-month free trial to Sellerboard, by the way. Below using my link, get it for 2 months free, and then get in here quickly, claim back as much money as you want, and then you can decide if you want to carry on with it or not. It's only cheap moving forwards, guys. About $15 a month or something. So you click on the money back there, click on lost and damaged, and then it's going to show you the estimated reimbursement amount. It's actually going to show you how much money you're owed, guys, which is really cool. And my team log in and do this every single day for my UK and my USA account, guys. If you're not doing this, you are literally leaking money out of your Amazon business, guys. So it's going to come up once it's last updated, the 4th of the 6th, 2020. Well, that's old, but obviously it's going to update yours 2024. And then it's going to show you a reimbursement amount there, guys. All you have to do is click the Excel or CSV, you hit download, and then it's going to download. As you can see, it's done to my computer there. It's going to download the CVC file. You click show template there, grab the template, okay, grab the template. You enter your ASINs, FN SKUs, etc. into the template. You go on to Seller Central, you click get support, you click other issue, and then you submit the template. That's as simple as that, guys. And then Amazon should go through all of them manually once you've submitted them, and then reimburse you for them. The same with returns here, guys. Okay, now if someone on Amazon has taken your item, they've returned it, but then they haven't actually sent the item, or the item hasn't gone back into your inventory, or if they haven't returned it over the 45 days, then they should reimburse you for that amount, guys. And that's exactly what's going to show here. Now, Amazon, being as big as it is, still doesn't like to do this, guys, because obviously, no doubt, they owe millions to sellers, but they decide just to sort of shrug it under the rug. I'm sure they know what they're doing. This estimated returns amount is the exact same thing. You click download the report, CSV or Excel, hit contact seller support, get the template, go to contact Seller Central, click other, and then you paste it in there, guys, with all the relevant information. And then we do the exact same with the FBA fee changes. You download the report, you hit show template, get the template, type in the order numbers, etc. that have come up on the CVC or the Excel file. So you've got a list of them. You enter them in, and then you get the reimbursements. And then give it 24 hours to 48 hours. Amazon should then notify you of a reimbursement for a fee change or lost and damaged or a return. And you want to keep track of these, guys. And as I say, my team does this all day long to make sure we're getting the money back owed to ourselves. And this makes a huge difference to your profit, guys. So I hope that video's helped. As I say, check out the free trial, 2 months, go and claim back as much money as you can, and then decide if you want to continue afterwards. No pressure. No credit card required either, guys. See you soon.